Hello Mustang lovers, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another video. So I'm here with my granddaughter Shelly.
Hi.
If you guys remember some of the videos I had when she was little, well, it's her grand return.
Yes.
So she decided to get herself a little Mustang, and so I'm here in town and we're just gonna replace the tail light, and I'll make myself a little laundry list of what she needs for her Mustang. What do you got there, Shelly?
I got an 06 Mustang.
And this is a 6-cylinder 4.0. It looks pretty nice. Whoever had it before put some rally stripes on it. They blacked out the signal lights. Put a grill, an aftermarket grill without the Mustang logo. It looks pretty sharp. It's a little beat up, but it's a start. So earlier I sent her the chrome covers for her handles. What else did I send you?
You sent me the shift gear cover.
Oh yeah, I made her a shifter glove. Cool. Well, this is her Mustang. Let's go get that light bulb. All right, let go of it. Do it again. Okay. There's a 7/16 wrench to take these off. I'm showing you how to put them back in. 23. So I was thinking that I should buy beat up Mustangs, fix them up, and sell them. Or if my channel does well, maybe start giving them away, like raffle them off. Okay, so we got the right bulb. Ta-da!
Yes.
And it goes in that hole there. And then what you do is it twists on, so you gotta find where it goes in.
Okay.
I think it goes in like this, like that. And then it slides in like this. Boom. Shazam! It's only got 3 screws holding it. So you just slide it back in. It really is easy if you find the hole. Cool. There's a 7/16 wrench to take these off. I'm showing you how to put them back in. 23. So I was thinking that I should buy beat up Mustangs, fix them up, and sell them. Or if my channel does well, maybe start giving them away, like raffle them off. Now you're talking. We're good.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving from Dusty Tales. If you like my content, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and as always, God bless you and keep the rubber down.